Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Come again. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm very excited for today's video. I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Glamlite Holiday Foodie Box. So if you want to see what is inside this box and also my thoughts, then just keep watching. Get more views. My dog wanted to say hello to everyone. She is nosy. I'm very excited for this box because I've never tried anything from Glamlite, and I've heard, sorry, my dog's walking around. I've heard a lot of good things about this brand, and when I saw that they came out with this holiday box, and it was only $45, and it comes with 7 products, so I thought that that was a really good deal. So I'm very excited to try everything in here and see what Glamlite is about, because their packaging and everything is so cute, and like this packaging is so cute. Let's start off with what's in the box. This is the cookies and milk highlighter. Again, the packaging is just so cute. And then we also have the gingerbread lashes, and these look very big, something that I've never tried before, but again, the packaging is just so cute. And then we also have these candy cane trio eye brushes. Again, really cute packaging. And then we also have a red velvet lipstick, liquid lipstick. And then the pecan pie, I don't know if this is a gloss or what. It doesn't say what it is. But we have the pecan pie lip product. And then, oh, this box came like broken, but this is the eggnog lip gloss. Let me just kind of put it back together, show you what the packaging looks like. Just so the back in this is a gloss, so you get 2 glosses in here. And then the last item is the pie palette, and so this is what the packaging looks like on this. Again, the packaging on everything is just so cute. So let's start off with, I think let's start off with the eye brushes, and so we're gonna go into those. I'm gonna use these for my eye look today. These don't feel like super soft, but I'm interested to see how they perform. So this is like a blending brush, and then brush to pack with, and then you just have like a smaller blending brush. So let's go in to the palette. This is what the packaging looks like, and then when you open it up, it just comes in this little box. And then let me just take the palette out. This is what the packaging looks like, and then when you open it up, let me just take the plastic off. This is what it looks like. This is a beautiful palette, and it also has a blush in the middle. So let's see what I want to do today. I did go ahead and prime my eyes, but let's go in with, I think let's go in with pumpkin first. Actually, let me do some swatches. Here are what all the eyeshadows look like. Everything swatched so beautifully, and then this is just the blush. I just kind of blended it out a little bit, but everything swatched so nicely, so I'm really excited to use this. Let's see what kind of look I want to do. I think I'm going to go in to the shade Sweet Potato. A little powdery, but not bad. Okay, this shade is so pretty, and it blended out so nicely, and it's really pigmented. I'm gonna take the smaller blending brush and go in with the shade Mud Pie and just put that in my outer corner. Again, just blending out so nicely. I just got a little bit of fallout, but I can just brush it away with my finger. but these are blending out so nicely. I'm really liking this so far. Now, I just need to decide what. I think I want to use this shade, which is peach. I think that will look good. Use this flat brush and just pick that up. Ew, it's not really picking up very well. Okay, this is not picking up the product very well, so I'm just gonna go in and use my finger. Oh yeah, that's much better. Wow, that is so pretty. I used my finger for the shade. I got no fallout, which is amazing, and I really, really like this color, and I really like this so far. I think I want to try out maybe one more. I think I want to add the shade Nutty Pecan on my lower lash line, kind of like in the inner part. And I'm going to use the blush as my blush. Oh, that picked up a lot. Oh wow, that is really pretty. It is a very pigmented blush, so I think you have to, like for my skin tone, have to go with a lighter hand, but I really like this color. Then while we're using the blush, I'm gonna go in, I don't really know how to open this. This is the Cookies and Milk highlighter. And I saw swatches. Ooh, I just ripped that packaging. But I saw swatches of this. Oh, it's a lot smaller than I thought. I saw swatches and it looks a little too deep for my skin tone, but we'll test it out. Yeah, this is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, but that's okay because I don't need a really big highlighter. So this is what the packaging looks like. See, it just looks a little too dark for me. There wasn't really a highlighting shade. I'm just gonna use the highlight for my inner corner. Wow. Let me just take a little bit on my brush. It is very glittery, but it's a loose highlighter. What do you expect? But you know what? I don't think it's actually bad for my skin tone. I actually kind of like it. I mean, I have to tap it off so I don't use too much, but I actually, let's see, I actually really kind of like it. I actually think it blended in pretty nicely. And when I look forward, I don't see like a dark cast. Okay, I think I like that. There is some lashes, so I am going to trim them and put them on off camera because I know these will be definitely way too big for my eyes. Okay, you guys, I have to just come on here and show you one eye. How gigantic are these lashes? I even had to cut off like a whole chunk of them. Like, I'm just like laughing at myself because they are so big. Like, I'm like touching my eyebrow with them if I look like this. I can appreciate these lashes. I think they are really pretty. A little long for me because I can like, I don't know if you can see how long they are, but I can appreciate them. I think that they are really pretty. Maybe a little too much for my eyes. I have like smaller eyes, but they are really pretty. I can say that, but I'm just not sure if I will wear these again. I'm not sure. Okay, and then lastly, it did come with 3 lip products, so let me swatch those for you really quickly. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. And whoops. It also has a mirror on it on the side so you can use it if you put them in your purse or something, but this red is a beautiful shade. Okay, so this is what the lip products look like. This is the Red Velvet liquid lipstick, and then these 2 are glosses. This one is in Pecan Pie, and then this one is in Eggnog. I'm trying to see which one will look better. I think Eggnog, or I think pecan pie would look really good, but I really want to use eggnog. I think both will look good. Let's do eggnog. And I'm going to use this little mirror. That is really pretty. I definitely think it needs a lip liner with it. Let me try on pecan pie. Now this packaging is a little different than the other two. These are more like a triangle shape, and then this one is just a circle. I'm not sure why, but let's just do this one. Okay, let's go to my thoughts on the box. The eye brushes, they're all right. I wouldn't say you absolutely need them. I mean, I just use my Morphe brushes, and I think that these work better than these. They're okay. This one didn't really pack as much eyeshadow on. I just ended up using my finger, but these two were nice, but again, nothing that I really need. And then the eyeshadow palette, I'm really happy with. You can't really see it because these lashes are huge, but I only use, let's see, 1, 2, 3. I only really use 3 shades in the palette, but I really like how this look turned out. I think it's really pretty, and definitely my color. So I am very happy about that. And then the blush was nice in the palette as well. I really do like that shade. And then, let's see what else. My lashes. I just can't stop looking at myself because they are so long and you can't even like see my eyeshadow. So I'm not really sure if I'm going to be wearing these again. Maybe for some dramatic look. They are gorgeous, but again, maybe just a little too long for me. But I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? The highlighter. I thought that this was going to be a little too dark for me, but I actually think it looks really nice on my skin tone. I can also use it as an eyeshadow, but I actually don't think it looks that bad, and it doesn't look like too dark like on my skin tone. I think it looks really nice actually, so I am really happy that this ended up working out. And then the lip products, this is such a beautiful color. I'm probably going to wear this on Christmas. I'm not sure if I'm going to wear this or the Grinch Kylie lip kit. I'm not sure, but I really, really like this color. And then the glosses are really nice. I would say that the eggnog one probably needs a lip liner. And then the pecan pie is also really nice. They're not sticky at all. They're really nice and smooth. I can't say much about the liquid lipstick because I haven't worn it yet, but I'm probably gonna wear it, and it seems like it'll be a good quality. It seems nice and thin. So that is everything in this box. I definitely think it was worth $45, and I love their eyeshadow formula, so I might be picking up some more. I'm very interested in their other palettes, and I just think that this is so cute. So I will definitely probably be picking up some more of the Glamlite eyeshadow palettes. But I think that this was a really good box, and for $45, I think that's a great price. So I definitely think this box was worth it. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.